Welcome to Pantech e-learning. Now we are going to see glaucoma detection using deep learning technique. So this particular project belongs to deep learning domain. Here we are going to detect glaucoma disease using the fundus image of eye. So here we have different sets of database like deeply affected, early stage, moderate stage, normal stage and OHC stage. So here the neural network which we are going to implement in this project, it is convolutional neural network. First, upload the code towards the MATLAB software. Then open GUI.m file and run the code. So to provide the testing image as input, click on browse button, then go for the test folder. So here we will be having different test images. So I am selecting randomly as an input. Wait till that pre-processing application gets completed. Then after that, click on training, and this training takes several minutes in order to train that complete data set towards the neural network. So once if the training gets completed only, we will be able to classify. So here that epoch values, whatever we are going to adjust, it is around of 30 epochs. So now we will be having the training window for analysis. So here you can see that particular analysis date and timing and also the process. So you have to wait till it gets completed. So now the training progress has started. So within this particular graphical representation itself, you will be able to monitor the time and the iteration data, and at the same time we will be able to note down the accuracy as well as the amount of loss that has been occurred over here. 13 iterations has been completed till now. So here for predicting that whether the image whatever we have provided as input, it is affected with glaucoma or not. So for that purpose only here we are using deep learning technique, especially the convolutional neural network. So now the training is about to complete. Yeah, therefore the training has been completed. So click on OK button and close this particular training progress window. So now let us click on classification. So click on classify button for classification process, and therefore glaucoma has been detected in that particular image whatever we have provided, and the stage classification is reported as early. So similarly, let us try with another input as a random image. So let me go with this. So once again, let us apply for training. Therefore, the training session starts now. So let us wait for some time till it gets completed. So therefore, training is completed. Okay, now let us go for classification. So for classification, click on classify button, and therefore glaucoma has been detected. The stage of classification is D. Thank you.